Escuchá y baila mi cumbia. Mucho tiempo te esperé, me da igual que te quedes.
Alright, welcome back. Thanks for coming to my channel. I'm going to show y'all what I carry around in my little carrying bag, my tool case. Like I said, when I go do some work in my brother's house or a friend's house or whatever, or hey, if somebody wants to pay, why not, right? This is what I carry around. A lot of this stuff I actually bought during the holidays just to fill it up. The bag I actually got during the holidays. Before I would just get a box or a bucket and just throw everything in it. This is a lot more convenient way to hold your tools and carry them. Yeah, this is what I have. Bag. Yes, it is Craftsman. This is some of the stuff that I carry with me. I don't know if y'all remember Frankie M's video. He did a video about these Knipex. For solid core wire, they actually work pretty good. For stranded wire, not so much. You gotta actually hold on to the jaws in order for it to grab. But I don't work with too much stranded wire. And when I do, I got those little handheld ones you just pull, which actually work pretty good. So yeah, I carry this just in case I gotta do any kind of electrical work. Of course, I carry two utility knives. This one's DeWalt. I don't even know where I got this one from. This one's Craftsman. Some Needlenose Pliers. This is some off-brand Taiwan. They work good enough for me. Then I got these from Southwire. Those ones I was telling you about. These ones are really good. You can strip anywhere from 10 to 20 gauge wire. Of course, I picked me up a set of flathead and Phillips, and I heat shrink these parts just in case I have to get an electrical box with live wire or live electrical box. Hoping this will protect me from, just in case I hit the box. Accidents do happen. I haven't done it yet, but you never know. Also picked this up on one of those Black Friday sales for like $4. It's a nice little light, and it has a magnet. I don't know if y'all can see. It helps if I don't knock it down, but yeah. Anyway, it's magnetized. I carry around my pliers, the Milwaukee brand I got from Justin Dow. Thanks, Justin. Anyway, always gotta carry gloves with you. Got this set of bits. It's a 200-piece set of bits, Craftsman, that I picked up also. It's mainly about a month ago I picked this up. Very good set. I carry my impact driver. I bought this hammer a couple weeks ago. 24 ounce. This thing actually moves. I guess give you different type of leverage if you're pulling out nails. Yeah, carry my, also this light probably needs to be charged. Still lights up. Some chalk line. Can't go anywhere without a measuring tape. .100-foot measuring tape. some random stuff. My voltmeter or digital multimeter, if y'all want to get technical with it. Of course, I carry my set of vampire tools. I don't have the fancy one with the straps, but it gets the job done. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come in very handy. Of course, I got a little torpedo level, ball peen hammer, pipe wrenches, some hole saws. I don't know if y'all seen this. This will help you get a radius on doing when you're doing sheetrock. You want to cut out some, like to do bucket lights or something, anything round. This will get you your radius and cut through the sheetrock. Another handy tool. Anyway, just little levels and stuff. This is a line level. That's basically it, other than carrying around some electrical tape and your little wire nuts. And of course, you always got to have a first aid kit with you. You just never know. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Every now and then I might throw a few extra stuff if I know I'm going to do something else. Other than that, I usually carry that around with me when I'm going to go do some kind of jobs anyway, work on some houses. Obviously, you're not going to use that stuff to work on cars. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.